Jatend piny William Ruto koro wacho ni tich mane okwongo timo kano kawo telo kaka jatend piny nen mar neno ni uchumi ni kare. Koloso e kar jot mare bore Nairobi, Ruto wacho ni nochuno mondo okaw okenge mowinjore kaka duoko piny budget kod rido yore mag tiyo gi omenda.
The first assignment that I had to undertake on behalf of the people of Kenya when I was elected is to stabilize the economy of this nation. And it was necessary for us to tighten our belts. We cut back on our budget by 300 billion. We had to stop fuel subsidies. We have to stop unga subsidies. We had to stop many things. And I did make those decisions. And it wasn't easy. And they were painful. But friends, today, I can confidently stand before the teachers of Kenya, our professionals, and tell them, because of those decisions, our inflation has come down from 9.6, it's now 4.5. Our dollar foreign exchange reserves have grown from $5.7 billion. They have now doubled at $11.8 billion. IMF, 2 months ago, released a report which showed that Kenya had overtaken Angola, had overtaken Ethiopia. Kenya is now the 6th largest economy in Africa.